Can't remember which button to press. Okay. Hold on. Where am I gonna have my center? Okay, there. Right. I'm pretty sure that I need to recenter wherever that part of my center system is. Anyway, okay. Oh, I don't have full body tracking. It's such a... Got nice hands though. I've got the T for God kind of hands there, right? Sort it out. First of all, if you're going to be journeying in... Idiot. First of all, if you're going to be journeying in VR, you need a happy avatar. So there's my happy avatar. I like the way the tail sort of floats around there in the background. Okay. Worlds. Today we will be exploring resonance. Res on. See, I'm sure I clicked the resonance area to see what we can find. I'm curious about whatever else is here. That looks kind of... it's the thumbnails that get you. That looks really cool. It's probably not. So I find out about... Oh, there's people there already. Oh, wow. There's people there. I find out if this author's done other stuff just before I jump. Unknown area, the lost area, moonflowers, ruins, secret cottage. I've heard about secret cottage and secret cottage 2. Fragment new world, abandoned meadow. Okay, residence area was one of his. Ah, secret cottage 2 is there. Okay, right. Is it he or she? Not sure. Do they have playlists? Just a quick check. No, they don't. Let's trip back to the author. It's not giving me. Two in this one. That's one in Japan. It's in the EU. I'm curious about the Japanese one. Anyway, go with the flow moves, you know. Jam the mic up, rock the disco. It snowed here today. Do you believe that? It snowed. And I had a great jog today. I only did half my usual, but I picked up the pace a little bit, and it was one of the first jogs in ages where I didn't actually feel any pain in my body during the jog. Such a weird thing. Fitness is such an odd concept. Some days you're feeling good, some days you're feeling bad. Whenever you're happy, someone else is always sad. Name that song. I forgot my camera. Oh, glitch. Avatar light particles post-process. Things in Japanese. Not quite sure what that is. Oh, the light through the trees. The light through the trees. was playing with the anchoring the camera outside of what I normally see or look at. You're definitely led in by take a risk. It's hard to tell whether it's better to. Wow, look at this. That's amazing. I gotta get the angle right. The angle's wrong. The angle's wrong. The angle needs to be have the road higher. There, like that. Or at least looking the other way. Maybe that was it. Oh, it's a big moon that way. Just look at that. Love the little electronic sounds in the background. There's that camera angle. Wait a minute. That was just rewind. Rewind. Apparently there's other people in this world. But anchor. I'll close that camera and respawn the streaming camera. Hi. How's it going?
It's going well. Just
Cool.
rolled up.
Yay. What do you think about this place? It's lovely, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice.
It's really
It
cool.
was 204 megabytes though.
You know, um, it's attention to detail. It's attention to detail. Although I will say, I was in this world the other day and it was only like 25 megabytes, and I was just like, oh my god, this is stunning. And so
Mm.
it's not always about size, as they say. It's not
No.
always about size. It's kind of cool. Uh, I'm doing a little stream here on my camera. If you don't want to be in the
Uh,
stream, I can make sure that the camera's not anywhere pointing at you or something. You know.
no, it's fine. I don't mind being on stream.
That's okay. Cool.
Hello,
Cool.
chat or Discord.
Um, it's going out to my Facebook page actually.
Oh,
Discord is
hello, Facebook.
Discord
Hello,
is
Meta.
Discord is too complicated for my brain. It's great. Don't get me wrong. It's
Mm.
fantastic, but you know, it's like a car. I'm just like, how the fuck does this work?
Just gotta continue using it until you learn. You either
You know what's
control it very well or just crash.
the most annoying thing is working out how to be able to communicate with people on it, because it's like you don't have permission to write here. I'm like, well, how the fuck am I supposed to talk to anybody? You know, it keeps,
That's why I have Discord. I only join like friend groups and servers.
yeah. But
I
that's
don't
the
really
other
join like community servers.
oh, people say just join my Discord. Last time I checked, I was like members of 280 different platforms or something on Discord. I'm like, what the fuck?
Mm.
How am I supposed to even process what happened yesterday? You know, when
Yeah.
when everyone's busy doing stuff, right? Everybody's got their
That's why you could like put them like in folders. I have like my actual friend group in one small folder, and like the other game stuff like in another folder.
yeah, smart. See, smart, getting organized. Very smart. I like that. I like that. That's very cool. I just tested out full body tracking with an old Xbox 360 camera, and
Oh, and how was that?
oh, I don't know, a bit like putting a 1950s car engine in a modern car. Um, it works as long as you're front facing. As long
Yeah,
as
you
you're
can't really move around.
yeah, if you only face the front and you snap turning, it works. Otherwise, it's you you just look like a broken twig, you know? Yeah, everything crosses over and messes up. It also took me an
Yeah,
extreme
like
amount
that,
of
like that.
exactly like that. Exactly like that. Um, that was very bizarre, but yeah, exactly like that. So that was a that was interesting. You know, it'd be good if you're giving a presentation
Yeah.
and you're facing forward, it's fine. Doing anything else is completely pointless. Oh, so
Mhm.
you got full body tracking on there, or
Yeah.
oh, that is so smooth. What are you
I got
using?
the 3.0s.
Yeah, is that like
Two
the you got two base stations as well?
the yeah,
You
two
got,
base stations. One right there to the left and one
yeah.
over there to my right, on the side of my bed. So it's just pointing at me directly, and it like tracks it very well.
let me just praise the effort, praise the effort. That's two base stations and three trackers, and it looks smooth as anything I've ever seen in my life, and I'm really fucking jealous. But you know, that's a good thing, right? Darn.
You'll eventually get them.
Yeah, I've the figure.
Just takes some time. It's just a lot of money to drop in at once.
Yeah, it is when people can't see it. You know you know what I'm saying? People don't know.
Yeah.
But I can tell from the way you're moving that it works brilliantly, right? But
It works really well.
it works really well. But it's just like, first I gotta rob a bank, and after I rob the bank,
I use my stimulus, man. So
why the fuck not, right? Why the fuck not?
yeah,
You know, if it's gonna make you happy and improve the quality of your life, it doesn't fucking matter what anyone else thinks. You know what I'm saying?
exactly. I used it to like be more immersed because I like whenever I sat down with only just hands, my legs always just sit down in this position.
Yeah.
And then, like when I moved this way, my whole entire body moved. But now I could just like
Oh, check that.
one was
Oh,
just more expressive.
You know,
Yeah.
for the average person, they're not gonna know what the fuck is going on. But I can tell by looking at you that it makes a massive difference. You know, I can tell. I can
It
tell just
really does.
that just the with the right with the right setup and the right avatar to go with it, and the ability to move.
So like I could just like,
Oh, wow,
yeah.
wow, wow. Oh my God.
It's really nice though.
Yep, yep. I mean, it's
I mean, they're coming out with less expensive trackers for like full body too, like the Chandra ones.
I heard about that. I heard about that. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. But you know, it's. I want something that works. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't want
Mm-hmm.
something that half works, or works 3 times out of 4. I want something that works all the time. You know?
It's
Like
just a lot of trial and error with troubleshooting, man. Sometimes
oh,
my full body just like jiggles about, sometimes like that. But that's just me moving it.
yeah.
So
It's.
like I have 3 sensors, one on my stomach and 2 on
Yep.
my legs right here.
Yeah.
So
Yep.
like if I twist this around,
Oh, it even catches that. Oh wow. That's
yeah.
you just. All right. It just goes like the middle part of your body can be completely twisted around. All right. That is that.
hmm
If you were like a robot or
Like the
something,
funny thing,
that would be cool.
oh no. Yeah, let me take off my shoe and I can like grab my tracker and move it around like that.
All right. So you
Let me put my shoe back on.
I was like, I hope that's not your
There you go.
fucking leg, because it'd be broken, man.
No.
You're seriously fucking broken. Wow. 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 Hey, how'd you find out about this world?
I was just world hopping and I always go to like the news section when I just play VR chat alone. I just
All
like to
right.
world hop.
All right.
Yeah, I found this world. It looked nice, so I pressed enter and here I am.
Yeah. Yeah. It's cool. It's very, very cool.
Mm.
Yeah, I did. I just follow people on Twitter, and you know, whatever they post, it's cool. I make a note and try to follow it. I try to check out a couple of different worlds every day, just out of curiosity,
Yeah.
place to explore, meet people. When the weather's shit outside, you know,
Yeah, yeah.
like it is here right now. So it's kind of cool. There's a nice atmosphere to this place. I like the little bit of
It really
electronic
is.
music in the background. It's strange because it's not natural, but it works and sort of adds.
Yeah, you could also change the music over there. There's like 4 songs out of the
Oh
playlist.
right. See,
Yeah.
I miss
I
so
chose the piano
much.
one.
I miss so much, right? I mean, it's not.
Well, we could always go back.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, it's cool. It's cool. It's just that you're in a place and you think you know what's going on, and someone says, "Did you see that?" And you're like, "No." You know what I'm saying? It kind of reflects reality in that sense, where it's like you just pointed out something that is obvious and people can do it. And I completely missed it. I'm like, oh shit, I didn't even see that, right?
Mhm.
And that's what's cool about uh, bumping into people and meeting people and
Yeah.
chatting with them and learning what is where and stuff. Yay. Um, I'm gonna wander off up there. If you wanna add me as a friend and jump into any world that I'm in anytime, feel free. Right? It's all good.
Sure thing.
It's all good. Let
hmm
me accept that.
For a visitor, you're pretty chill. Usually they're just screaming in my ear.
Oh, it depends where you go. You know, I
Yeah.
I try. It's the world. It's not me. It's the world. It's the chillness of the world, right? It's you gotta kind of sort of soak in the atmosphere of what the people have built, and you know, if it was a paintball world, I'm pretty sure I'd be screaming like everybody else. So,
Yeah.
but no, it's kind of chilled. Like I said, I like the ability to explore. And if you've got any tips about cool worlds that you've been to, you know, anything that would be
um,
worth me visiting.
Like, what are you looking for?
What am I looking for? There's no limit to what I'm looking for. I just ask people, what do you like? And you know, if somebody says, oh, I like this place, I go and check it out. You know, because so
Me,
there's no, and it
fun.
like I mean, I'm as happy exploring somebody's digital forest as I am like being on top
Are
of
you
spaceships and that.
Quest or PC?
Um, I'm running through the PC at the moment, but I'm
Oh,
using virtual desktop to send it to Quest 2. So,
this world is a beautiful area right here. This one right here.
okay,
Island of
okay,
Flora.
okay.
It's
I
really bright though, so.
hold on. Let me uh, hold on.
And then I'm gonna show
It's called
what else.
Island of Flora. Very cool. Very cool. I will. There's no way to save it, is there? Cause is there any way to
Yeah, there
like?
is. Click on
Oh,
the world, and then so your right side it should say favorite, make home, reset home, or
oh,
report.
oh.
So
But when
just
you
favorite it, and you should have like.
but if you put up the portal, is there any way I can save the world without going through the portal?
Oh
What was it
no,
called?
you
I'll
gotta
do it. I'll do
actually
it on my
look it up on
menu.
your menu.
I'll put it on my menu. What was it called?
Island of Flora.
Island of Flora. ISLAND of Flora.
Do you like Halo?
It's cool. It's cool. I'm not for it or against it. You know, it's
Hmm.
I never played it, but I respect it. You know what I'm saying? So,
Trying to find worlds.
got a friend who built a couple of Halo worlds in Neos, which are pretty cool. Um,
Oh, Neos? Yeah.
Island of Flora. Okay, well that's a nice thumbnail. Um, yeah, I'll favorite that and add it to Worlds 1, and that fills my Worlds 1 section completely then. Okay. Island of Flora.
Do you like horror atmosphere?
It's all cool. Everything's cool, you know, because it, you know, anything done well is done well, you know. Doesn't
Yeah.
doesn't need to be any particular style. You know, a good horror is as good as good comedy. You know what I'm saying? It's just both good. So so that's cool. I
Also,
hold on. Let me see. You are here. Okay, what am I doing? Okay,
this
that's
one's also nice. This one
back room.
exactly.
It's called
The back rooms. Yeah.
back rooms. 3M. Okay, hold on. Let me.
It's a maze of endless rooms.
I'm gonna get stuck there.
Yeah, it's really like weirdly like horrifying. Make sure it's the right
that,
picture too, because there's like a lot of back rooms, but this one that I
uh,
found is the best one.
which there's I've just put in back rooms thinking I would find it, and there's hundreds. Well, hundreds is about
Yeah,
20. Shit.
because it's like a popular topic and people
Hold
like
on.
make a lot.
No, it's who's the author of it? Do you remember?
Let me look at it again.
Because there's lots.
The author is TSMRE.
Okay, got it. That's sweet. Okay, I will add it to. I should start a new playlist there. Add it to number 4. Oh, it's a playlist. When did have I got two
Yeah, playlist.
worlds 1, worlds 2, playlist 3, playlist 4? What? What's the
Yeah.
difference between
It's
worlds
so
and
you can.
playlist?
Oh,
Okay.
the worlds are the worlds you go to. The playlist is like your favorite section. Like you could immediately like go to that section and just click on that world, so you don't have to go searching for it while typing or.
Yeah, but worlds is the same. It gives you your world section the same as it gives you your playlist section, doesn't it? It does for me.
I mean, yeah. Huh.
Anyway, I don't know. Anyway,
I mean, the world is the playlist, no?
That's what I thought. I agree.
You
I
could
agree.
also name it, rename it, so.
Ah, all right, all right, all right, all right. Let me hold on. Yesterday, if you like chilled out worlds like this, yesterday I went to Orion, Dreaming of 1962, Obsidian, Owls,
Oh,
and
I'm on the floor.
and hold on. I went to I went to every world that was created by this person, and they were all fantastic.
Mm-hmm.
Wait a minute, let me where can I drop a portal? Drop a portal somewhere. There. I went to Owls. It's
Yeah.
the author is somebody called Nine. Yeah, and I then looked at their other worlds and I went to them all one by one. And if you like chilled out places like this, it's really similar. It's a really similar style. And this person's done like lots of worlds, and they were all beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Cool chilled out places. So if you want other stuff like that, that's cool. Uh, and the menu disappeared. So that's cool. Right. Yeah, like I said, feel free to catch up with me any point in time. It's all good. It's all good. Uh, which
Well
country are
then,
you? Which country are you in?
I'm in Cali,
All right. All right.
California.
This is pretty much a
We're
country.
fucking USA. Yeah.
Yay.
It's its own little part, because we're separated from the rest of it. I'm in USA.
Yeah, yeah. Each state's like a country anyway. They've got their different rules
Now they're massive.
yeah, and they're massive as well. Right. Yeah. Yeah. That's the truth. Right. That's the truth. It's all very cool. Right. Cool. Right. I'm heading off up into the light over there, checking out what's there. You're welcome to come with me if you want, or you can go the other way. It's up to you. No hassles.
I'll head left.
All right.
We'll probably meet around anyways.
It's probably just a circle, right?
Yeah.
Right. It's all good. It's all
Well,
good.
take care, Facebook.
Yeah. Yeah.
But,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
sorry.
Yeah. Yeah. Have fun. Have fun. The thing about wandering off into the light is that you never know. So you never know exactly what you're going to find, right? You never know. Where did you go today? What did you do? Tell me. What did you see? What did you find? What did you learn? Who did you meet? What did they say? Try to remember everything that happens. Try to remember everything that happened. Because your memories, that's what makes reality real. Somebody over there in the distance. I can see them. Maybe there's more than one person. I figured there were quite a few people here when I dropped into the world. I think all roads lead to the same place. I think they do. What do you think? Oh wow, check this out. It's a little cottage. Wow.
Greetings.
Hey, greetings, my friend. Greetings, greetings. It's such a it's such a small planet.
Yeah, it really is. It's crazy.
Getting smaller all the time. Wow. Oh no. Do-do-do-do-do. I don't have enough arms. I should have had like 16 arms or something. Right. I was watching those. I was watching some streamers on. I can't remember which platform it was, and they were showing like
Twitch?
what the. It wasn't Twitch. I was watching VR streamers, and it was on Twitter. Yeah, and they were showing their setups. And obviously, when you're in VR, you're busy, right? You know, you only got
Yeah.
2 arms and 2 legs, right? And when you're streaming and you're doing active streaming, you want lots of things to be happening. So they got these floor pedals, right, that laid out, all painted green because they're working with green screens, right? So that you only see them and not anything else. So they got all these floor pedals, all these green floor pedals, like 20 of them. And they're like pressing them with their feet while they're talking in order to get different pop-ups and stuff. Fucking crazy shit. And people just watch the video,
Crazy.
and people just watch, like it's hours and days of work for them to make a video, and people just look at it and go, nah, that's shit. You know? It's crazy. It's crazy.
Yeah, it's a lot of hard work making like stuff for VR.
Oh, just
Because you gotta like use Blender, Unity,
yeah,
download another stuff.
yeah,
You
or
gotta
even
go through a lot of hoops.
I don't tell you what I don't understand. Maybe I'm crazy. I don't understand the people who they make a video, or they record a game, or they play a game, or it might be on like on a flat screen or in VR or whatever, and they play the game for a couple of hours, and they take their gameplay video and they spend like 3, 4, 5 hours editing it, right? To make a
Make
10
it in
minute
10 minutes.
to make a 10-minute video to put it on the fucking internet. I'm like, what is the fucking point? I'm like, and then like 20
To
people will
keep
watch it.
the viewer
Yeah.
retention span. Yeah.
Yeah, it's not gonna work. Like that, people don't have more than a 15-second attention span. No, they don't have more than
Yeah,
that.
that's me.
Yeah, they're like, people are busy for like, people are attentive for fucking, they've got TikTok brains, you know. They're attentive for like that 15 second, and then they're fucking gone, you know. They're gone, completely gone. Yay. So it's just a circle then. It's just a whole. It's just a
Not
big
really. There's an ending path, but there's like things that catch your attention. like
Ah,
a sword on the ground that's stone and like stone doors that you can walk to, and then you see the other path.
alright, that's good. The donuts of fire coming off the fire there. That's kind of
Yeah,
that's kind of interesting. Is it a
it looks
box
more
on?
like
Oh, it's a
nuts.
mirror.
Like,
The box is a mirror. Okay, okay, interesting. Yeah. So what got you into VR or in the first place?
uh, like just watching like VR videos back in like 2016.
All right.
Didn't really get a
That's
VR until
early.
like 2018. Yeah,
2016 is really early to be
it's
into VR.
yeah. I think that's when it started like getting like a little bit mainstream, just a tiny bit though. And then my first
Yeah.
VR headset was the first Quest.
Oh
I
yeah,
didn't
yeah,
like. I liked it a lot, but at the same time I didn't because I felt really limited. So then I returned it like a month later. It was good while it
yeah.
lasted though.
But fuck, that shit was fucking expensive, right? The first Quest was like £500, right? If you compare it
Yeah, it
to
was. It was.
for what the tech was at the time, it was good. Don't get me wrong, it was good, but it was like it's like if you compare it to the Quest 2, which is you can get 300 for 300 now. It's like
Yeah, and
that's a
it
wild
works even
difference.
better too.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
But
VR is getting way better too and cheaper. Hopefully, it gets like to the point where it's just like $100 for a headset. You know?
I think it will because there'll be nothing else for people to do. You won't be able to work without one in the
Yeah.
future. Companies going to buy them and give them to their employees, and
Well, I'm ready for work then.
yep, yep, yep. But that's how it's going to happen, right? That's crazy. I know companies that buy the VR stuff for their employees, and the employees just take it and put it on a shelf somewhere. It's just like, what the fuck?
Yeah.
They don't even fucking use it. I was talking to a guy a couple
That's
of months.
expensive gear.
Yeah, I know, I know. It's. I was like talking to some guy in a company about it. He's like, oh yeah, I got one of those. Never used it. I was like, what the fuck?
They should. It's gonna.
I'm like, you
There's a lot
yeah,
of worlds you could travel to.
yeah. There's a lot you can do. You know, it's like VR chat is good
Yeah.
for chat and sort of exploration. But I've been
Yeah,
hopping
it's
into.
more of a social game than anything else.
Yeah, I'm not even sure you'd class it. There are games within it, so depends where you go, I suppose. But I've been checking out
Hmm.
Neos a lot recently because there's a lot more that you can do in terms of building stuff. Like you can enter someone's world. Like say this was somebody's world, you can enter somebody's world and you can add to it. You can build stuff in it. It's not limited to what
Yeah.
you see around about you, right?
I think I'm just sticking to VR chat because I've been on it for so long. I tried Neos, I couldn't get into the controller things. It's good though. It has a good premise. It's probably better now.
Yeah,
Cause I joined it like Neos like early on in development, and I was like, oh no.
oh, it's still a mess, but
No.
but like I've got like my friend built a world and he said, "Do you want to explore the world?" I'm like, "Yeah." And he's like, "Okay, here's a hoverboard." So he gives me this like digital hoverboard and like we jump on it and fly around his world. I'm like, "That works for me." You know, as as being able to do something like that. And he's like, "Whatever you want, we can bring it into the world and you can spawn it and you can have it there." And I'm like, doesn't that mean that it all the shit goes crazy and people just add odd things to it? And he's like, "Yes." That's the way it works. I'm like, okay, fair enough. So
It
it's
just
it's
works.
it's just mishmash of everything, but it's fun, right? You know, you'll be you have to learn to expect the unexpected. Really, really unexpected there.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's nice. I've still got to go and explore and do some more stuff there. It's not as big as VR chat, but it's nice if you want to learn how to build stuff and contribute things. The buildings here are done really
Hmm.
nice. It's really cool. I like that. Very cool. And the light through the trees here is great. It's really good. It's
There's probably stuff inside the forest too.
spoken like somebody who knows. Right. Spoken like somebody who knows.
There's one way to find out.
Yeah.
So,
You think you think we should go for a walk? See what we can find.
yeah.
Okay. All right. Off we go. Don't need to hold that. Off we go. Through the forest. A little bit of an adventure. See what we can find. Wow. Oh, it's a river. Like a river kind of river. There's a bridge over there as well. Wow.
I lied. There is nothing
No, it's nice.
except for a
There's
pillar.
a couple of bridges. A couple of bridges are cool. Do you know how? Can I anchor my camera behind me? Do you know if I can do that? Is that
You
possible?
gotta you can actually move it behind you.
Okay, but I move it
Yeah.
behind me, but it stays there in one position, right? I wander off and the camera still stays there. You know? Is
It
there?
depends on your camera settings. You have the streaming camera, right? So
Yeah.
let's see.
I'm using the streaming camera right now.
Behavior. Click
But
on well, first, do you have the smoothing on?
um,
So the viewers.
it's under behavior, yeah.
Yeah.
Smoothing. No, what does that do? I don't know what that does. What does that do? What does smoothing do?
Instead of making, because hand movements are kind of shaky,
Yeah.
that just makes it smoother, so it doesn't
Okay, I'll try that.
flutter around the
I'll give that a
camera.
try. Okay.
So it's gonna be more pleasant on the viewer's eyes.
Okay. Okay. But the look at me, does that just always point the camera at me? Does it?
Yeah, it just
Hold on,
it just focuses on you.
let me press it now and see what happens. Oh, it puts me in the center of whatever's happening. Oh, will that follow me?
So
No, it doesn't.
I pressed look at.
Yeah. When look at me follows me, but the camera stays in the same place. Which is kind of
All right, you clicked on the anchor, right? So you can have your camera right there, and then you're gonna have like a little blue camera lens right here that you could grab, and then you could put it behind you, while you still have the camera being like that.
hold on.
I don't know how to explain it.
Okay, click on anchor. I've just changed the behavior. Hold on, I'll click on anchor. And if I click default, it defaults to that little phone tablet thing in my hand. If I click world, it just sits wherever I put it. If I click local,
You want? Right.
does that... Oh, local
Put
follows
local?
me. That's it. That's the one.
Yeah, and then
Local.
you can move the camera and the lens different in different places.
Yeah, and it follows me around. Yeah, because there's a nice
So
camera
I have
in...
mine right there behind me.
Oh yeah, that's very cool. That's very cool. Because there's a really good camera in Rec Room that like floats around behind you, so wherever you go, it just follows you, and it's kind of really cool. And
Yeah.
it's nice to get not just the eye view of the person, but also the bigger world of what is around the person as well is nice to capture in terms of.
Or just put the camera straight in your face and have motion sickness.
Yep, that happens from time to time. Yeah, although the more time you spend in VR, it disappears, right? I mean, you get used to it. I suppose you get used to it. So right
Then you
now,
go onto the mask section. You can make a green screen. You can take off the UI.
which section? Oh,
It
that's
should
weird.
be more to the right. You click on the arrow.
Oh, there's more to
Go
the.
to the mask.
I never saw any
Yeah.
of that before. I'm such a fool. Oh my God! It's. Oh,
So you can green screen yourself out if you want to, and put a backdrop behind you.
Hold on. Whoa, this So first of all, can I
You can also
change?
check out the environment.
Oh, I can get closer. I can also move the camera behind me. I can zoom in with the camera that's behind me. It's following me around. Okay. I would rather have it further away. Can't really do that, can I? Never mind. Never mind. Such is life, trying to be a perfectionist. Okay. Hold on. So there's what's all these things? Mask. What does mask do?
It just masks me around and it removes all the backdrops. So if you take a picture, it's just gonna capture me as a PNG file,
Mask. Oh, wait a
like a
minute.
sticker.
Mask's got environment, local player, remote player. Why are they all green? What does that even mean? Oh, can I take you out?
Is that they're
If
toggled
I,
on? Yeah.
if I, hold on, let me, oh, that removes me. Okay, okay, wow, this is all a whole new world, a whole fantastic point of view. Remote player, that takes you out of it. Oh, Jesus Christ, this is next level shit, again. Every 5 minutes, I gotta deal with next level shit. Um, environment, that's just me and you,
Yeah.
and nothing else. Alright, alright, okay, this is, okay, that's good, good, okay, okay, I want to put the
Let
environment
you
back.
send.
Green screen, oh! How'd you do that? Okay, what's, this last one,
Advanced OVR
UI,
advanced settings.
UI. Oh, that's the little
Oh,
handheld
UI.
thing, okay.
Yeah.
Oh my God, like just one of these settings is something that's like, oh, this is interesting, and they're all interesting. Hell, I didn't even see that little arrow. I didn't even see that little arrow at the side. I am so stupid. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Let me let me go get my camera and bring it in a little bit here. Okay. I like the personal camera angles I can do. As you do. Right. Lying on the grass, actually on the grass, rather than in the grass.
Well, I can make it look more. Let's see. There you go.
How'd you how'd you do all that shit? Bloody
It's
hell.
it's another program I'm using on Steam.
Oh, okay.
It's called Advanced OVR settings, and you can move your play space anywhere.
Oh, is that the AO? Is that advanced all?
OVR.
That's
Yeah.
advanced all VR settings in. Okay, okay. I gotta explore that stuff. I mean, it's all good stuff. All good stuff.
Mm.
Right. Is that a program you have to buy, or is that like just part of the setting stuff?
You could donate it, but I think it's free now.
Okay. Okay. All right. So that was a mask. Lens visibility. What the fuck is that about? What's lens visibility about? Ghost. What the fuck is ghost
Uh,
lens? Click that. What's that? No. Oh wait, I have to turn
so
it
you
on
don't see your
first.
lens. It's
No. No. It doesn't do anything when I click it. Okay. Ghost doesn't do anything. Solid doesn't do anything. Obviously, I got to do something else first. Okay. Filters. Oh fuck. Seriously? A whole bunch of filters. Like so if I'm doing this stream right now, hold on. Let
mm,
me just get my act right. Where's everything? Okay, I think that's right. Okay, so I'm doing this stream and I click blueprint. It's gonna make it that. If I click glitch, it's gonna do that. If I click speed, oh, okay, I get that. Sketch. Sparkle. Trippy. That's weird. Ye olde picture. Fair enough. I wouldn't use any of them. They're all shit, but I get the idea. Stream mode. Okay, and lock. Lock everything. Okay. Those masks are good. I like these. I like the camera function that focuses, where you can blur out stuff. That's really cool. You can blur out the.
Yeah, it's really nice. You could also change out like the blurriness of it.
I'm looking for where I put the camera. Oh, the camera's in the tablet now because I clicked. Oh, Jesus, such a. I'm sure it all comes naturally eventually. Okay, anchor, camera in world, camera. Where's my camera? Okay, that's the default camera. That's, I don't know. My camera's gone invisible. Why is my camera now invisible?
You probably left it on ghost.
Oh,
The lens
that's what it.
visibility.
That's what Ghost. See, I didn't have a fucking
Yeah.
clue what Ghost does. Ghost makes your camera invisible. Shit, I'll never fucking find it. Here, you can make your camera invisible. Fuck yeah, I'll just lose it instantly. Oh my god. Off. No, that didn't do it. Ghost. Solid. Oh, you can make it a solid camera as well. I'll just have it that ghost style. Oh, off makes it disappear. If you click off, your camera disappears completely. Okay. Bloody hell. This is like every time I'm in VR chat or Neos or World, I'm just like constantly learning stuff. People are going like, "Have you seen this? Or tried this?" I'm like, "No, my God, what the hell?" I don't think people are not ready for this shit. People are they're still fucking coming home from work and turning on the TV and sitting on the couch and fucking falling asleep. You know?
Yeah.
They're not ready for this yet. They're not ready. They should be. It's like being in a fucking anime. It's like actually being in it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's why it doesn't do that, because it's putting me in the center of it. Okay. Wait a minute. Behavior. Look at me. No, don't look at me. Just point at whatever. Okay. Sometimes I don't want to be in the center, and that's okay. But I can understand. I can understand why people would want to do that. What is the water like? You like under the water? And then you can't see people who are under the water. Oh, you can see their names, right? That's weird. He's off somewhere. Oh, a mysterious place. How'd you do that? Just climbed up there. Is that in the advanced settings as well?
Yeah.
Alright, that's in Steam, right? Is that part of the Steam menu? The normal Steam menu?
No, it's you gotta download it. It's an actual program. You gotta get off of Steam.
Hold on, let me Hold on. I was getting motion sickness just looking at the
Should be
grass
longer.
there. Hold on a sec. Let me pull up my virtual desktop Steam menu here. Okay. I should be able to bring my... Can I bring my desktop into VR chat so other people can see it? Is that possible?
If you share a different screen, I think so.
But so other people can see it.
Oh, like on VR chat? No.
No, like, okay, that's interesting. Okay.
Unless like you share your stream link on like one of the worlds that hosts like where you can put like your stream link like for like YouTube and watch YouTube videos there.
Alright,
You could probably watch Twitch streams as well and Facebook stuff.
Okay.
Well, I don't know about Twitch. I mean Facebook.
Okay. There's a lot of advanced settings in Steam normally under Steam stuff. Hold on. Wait a sec. Steam, Performance, Workshop, Tutorials, Media Player, Home. No, it's not under there. Hold on. Go to the store. What do I look for? What do I look for in the store? What do I type in?
OVR advanced settings.
Wrong button. OVR. The OVR toolkit or OVR advanced settings. What's the difference between the
Advanced.
Why is a toolkit £10 and the advanced settings free? What's that about?
I have no idea. Just get the free one. That's what I got.
No shit. Why is it the free software is sometimes much better than the paid stuff? Have you noticed that? That's just ridiculous.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. If I OVR, is this going to crash my whole system? Click free. It says it's... Is it queuing to download or is it downloading? It is... Whoa! Ladies and gentlemen, it is downloading at this very second. But is that going to download as a program so that it crashes everything when I open it? Because I can only run one program at a time, right?
No, it doesn't crash out.
I've downloaded it. I've downloaded it, and it's in my library now. Should I click on it to open it up?
Yeah.
Well, it won't crash everything, will it? Probably, hopefully.
It won't.
It won't.
Hopefully, yeah.
It would be helpful if I could show you what I can see right now, but there's no way to do that, is there? So.
No.
There must be a way. I mean, how can you not? My brain.
Unless you have me added on Discord and share your screen, but that's about it.
You know what I'm saying? That like, there should be some option to like bring up a little screen on my hand and show it to you or something. You know what I'm saying? But there's okay. I'm gonna click play on it. I hope I hope it says preparing to launch, and don't know what the fuck has happened.
Did it launch?
Yeah, but where? It's not.
Alright, open your menu thing.
Open
like
my...
when you like, you should see on your little gear next to like the library and the desktop button where you open your menu.
Say that to me again. I didn't understand a word. I'm sure you're logical, but gear menu on which menu on what where? Sorry.
When you open like the big screen thing, it should be next to desktop and library. It should say OVR advanced settings. It should be like a gear.
Help me explain this to me like I'm 5 years old and completely dumb. Okay? I don't know what you're talking about. I don't.
Alright, so what do you see right in front of you?
I've got Steam menu. I've got my library. I've got my Steam library right in front of me. With my recent games.
To the left side of the library button, there should be another button. That looks like a gear.
No, it says
Yeah,
store. Next to the library, it says store.
the left side.
Yes, it says store, library, community, and me.
Huh.
So all my games are on the left side. Oh wait, OVR, it says OVR advanced settings running. I've got that. It says here running.
Yeah.
But I don't know where it is. I don't know where to see it. How to look at it. I don't know where it's running.
That's weird.
Where should it be? Where should I be able to see it?
Like as soon as you open like the menu button, like when you look at your desktop
It's not
through
on it.
VR, it should be right there.
No, no, it says it's running, but it's not. There's no box open anywhere with it. It says it's running.
Huh.
It's not under my VR menu, it's not under my Steam menu, it's not on either of my desktop screens. It says it's running though.
Just get out of the menu and just go back into it.
Which menu? I got like 15 different.
No, just get out of your desktop back into VR.
Okay, hold on. Switch to VR. Oh! Wait a minute. Now it's put me into... Okay, now it's put me into a different menu in VR. Okay, which I haven't seen before. OVR advanced settings. Okay, it's open
Yeah. Okay.
here, but I don't... Can I do anything with it? It looks... Okay, hold on. Okay, okay, your application... It's open in this little Steam box menu.
Yeah.
Alright. What should I... What can I do with it?
Alright. Click on go to motion.
All I can see is your application, manage application, all screenshots, artworks, videos, broadcast, news. It doesn't, it just, I've got a basic Steam window with OVR advanced settings on it and nothing else.
So you can't click on it.
Click on what? What's the it? There's lots of things I can click on, but I don't know.
The gear.
What, the gear. The gear.
Yeah, the gear.
Manage application. You mean that? Manage your application.
No.
That's got to... No? No? Okay, hold on. Okay, hold on. Right, where is it? You know, it's like it's open, it's running, but I can't see it anywhere on my computer.
It's when you go into the desktop mode, it's like you press the button and it should be right there. Right next to library and desktop, like in the middle of it. Like the buttons.
Next to...
In that gray bar, where it has the picture of VR chat, to the left side of it, it should be OVR advanced settings. You click on that button.
I don't know what gray bar you're talking about.
Well, you probably see different things.
I'd love to know where it is. I mean, it says it's running, and it's open, and it's happening, but I don't know where on my computer. Okay, treat me like a complete idiot. I mean, where should it open it up? What should happen? That's just bizarre. All right. Oh, wait a minute. There's a gray bar down at the bottom with a little cog on it that I've never seen before. That's not on any of the desktop menus.
That's the one. Yeah.
Okay. That's the...
Yeah.
Fuck me. Do you know how many bars and how many menus are in front of me right now? There's like about 15 of them. Okay, hold on. There's something... So I see your problem
You
now,
click
which
on
is
it.
how do you explain where that thing is? Okay, it's popped up as part of Desktop Plus. Okay, that's weird. That's very weird. What is happening in
Now, if you click on it,
what is happening in my stream? That's what I want to know. Hold on a sec. Hold on a sec. Hold on a sec. That's there. Let me just okay, that's what's happening on my stream. Right, okay, wait a sec. Okay, how do I get back to where I was there? Okay, OVR advanced settings. Fuck me, we're there. You are so patient. You are so incredibly patient. Most people would have slapped me and chopped my head off and set me on fire before now. Okay. Um, okay, Steam VR, Chaperone, offsets, motion, rotation, space fix, audio, video, utility, statistics, binding settings.
alright, go to motion.
Motion. Okay, left hand,
Yeah, and
right hand, comfort.
just toggle both of them.
Left hand, right hand.
Left-handed, right-handed. Yeah,
What does that do?
right, and then it's so you can move around, but it doesn't work out yet. You gotta actually change your keybinds.
Oh, this is gonna get complicated, isn't
Alright,
it?
then you go to motion settings, then you go like back, then you go to bindings.
What does space drag do though? Does that allows you to drag yourself into space or no?
No, it lets you move your play space. So my play space.
Oh, okay, so you're moving your play space to move around up and down. Ah. So you're basically like changing where the floor is, right? Something like that. I think your audio cut out. I
I
think
think
your
I
audio.
muted myself accidentally. So
Okay.
my floor is right here right now, but I can
Okay.
move my floor up here, which moves my avatar, and now it's right here.
That is so fucking cool.
So
Uh,
I could go down here and just pop on my head like hello.
and you do that by that's like use your hands to drag yourself into that position. Yeah, that's what that's about. Okay, hold on. Gravity settings. Gravity on, strength, moon, Mars, Earth, Jupiter. Oh, that's gonna be really.
I wouldn't mess with that. I don't know that yet. I'll probably test it out later and tell you.
Well, obviously, if you like jump, you're gonna just go off into the air, right? If it's
Yeah.
if it's the moon, if it's Mars, if it's space, then you might not come down, I suppose. There's nothing to resist against.
Mm.
Um, height, gravity, floor, offset. You can change that. Okay. So I get. So you could stand up and then use space drag, and then you would like it would look. You could climb something that you could look like. It would look like you were climbing something that you couldn't normally climb, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But with VR, it just clips your body out.
Oh, it just clips the body. Ah. So you could like go up and like sit on a tree or something, right? Theoretically,
Yeah.
that you couldn't do normally.
Like this.
All right. Okay, that's cool. I can see you here. My camera can't see you because it's all fixed. Because I'm. Hold on. You come out
Just like
here.
that.
Okay. So that's. All right. Because I've seen people do like photography and stuff, and it's like, how did they get up the fucking tree and sit on the tree? Right. I've seen that. I'm like, no,
Yeah.
no, that's how they do it, apparently. Okay. So those settings, it's left and right hand, and then you said change the key bindings, or
Yeah. Which one are next is click on bindings. It should probably pop up a menu now.
give me a sec. Okay, I'm gonna hold left and right hand. Okay, go back. Then click on
Bindings.
bindings. Okay. Right, and then
Did it pop up anything?
Yeah, it got a bindings menu.
Um, what do you see? Like, what are
Two,
your options at the
two,
bottom?
publish to workshop, save personal binding, show developer output, export binding file, replace default binding. And I've
Just
got
click on someone's already pre-made bindings. I think I am using the 3.0 ones. I forgot how the avatar looks like though.
Will it be under replace default binding, maybe? That's not giving me. It's not giving me choices of other bindings. I don't have any choices of other bindings here.
Really?
Oh wait,
Well,
no, now I've clicked back and it's giving me choices of bindings when I click back. Hold on. Okay.
what are the bindings?
Oh, we've got play space mover, VR chat, bindings by
what
floating points.
what do you have?
What do I have right now?
Yeah, for your controllers.
OVR,
No, your controllers.
Quest 2.
Quest. Try to look for Quest. Controllers settings.
Look for Quest 2. There's lot. It doesn't say Quest on any of them. It just it's a space drag, but doesn't say Quest. Gravity pool doesn't say. Look for something that says Quest. Okay. Okay.
If not, just try the first thing
Play space
and see if it
mover.
doesn't break your controllers.
What do I do if it breaks my controllers? How do I control anything?
I think just revert back to your settings, my guess.
How do you do that if your controllers are broken though?
Um, that is fair.
Tricky, tricky, tricky. There's fucking hundreds of controller settings. There's just hundreds of them.
Yeah, it's all custom made by people.
Okay, play space mover with reset, offsets, and gravity toggle. Maybe that one? View, I can view it. That won't activate it, will it? I can view it. View. Okay, this
I'm
looks
just trying
like
to make sure it's
this
like
looks
Quest
like
compatible.
Oculus Play Space Mover.
Yeah, go ahead with that one.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How do I know which keys are going to be different though? How do I know
I'll
which?
probably just map it to it, not like change the key bindings though. Does it say?
Hold on.
Because usually my play space movers are
No,
the
I went the
buttons.
wrong way. Oh, I don't know what? It jumped to another screen that I've never seen before, and there's no way to go back. It says edit controller bindings, dashboard, or I don't even know where the fuck I am now.
I just
They're all,
get out of it.
they're all different now. Wait a minute. Okay.
Yeah, go back to VR.
Ah! Wait a minute. Click bindings. Okay. OVRAS. Wait, click back. Back takes me to this place.
just
Okay.
go.
Wait a minute.
Just go back to VR.
Hold on. Play space mover. Play space mover. Does it say what it does? With reset, offsets, and gravity toggle, but it doesn't say what it does or how it does it. Use as joystick. Click reset, offsets. Use as right hand. Use as A button. Wait. A button held is right hand space drag. Left X button held. This is complicated. Is left hand space drag. Click joystick to reset offsets. Does that make sense to you?
Yeah.
Double B button is gravity toggle. How are you gonna bring up your menu, your other menu then, if you do that? Okay, fuck it. Um, I can always go back to defaults, right? Somehow.
Yeah.
How? If this doesn't work, how do I get back to my default?
I think you gotta do it through desktop and actually change your bindings that way.
OVRS
Oh
touch
wait, you're on.
default.
Hmm. Oh, you're on PC. Yeah, just do it through
OVR.
desktop if it messes up.
Is there an option there to on desktop to go back to reset? Because I
You
don't know
gotta
where that
enter a
is.
big picture mode, I think, for
What?
Steam.
What? To
Oh,
reset my controllers on Steam, I've got to enter big picture mode. That's like, it's like, what the fuck? I'm just like putting that. That's like a word salad to me. Okay, I get what you're saying, but it's just like, what? Okay. Current
yeah.
binding. Is there any way to save your current binding? Is there any way?
No clue. It's all trial and error, to be honest.
Okay, hold on. Select this binding, edit this binding. Okay, so what will they? I'll try it. It's holding left hand space drag, but you're supposed to hold that one. A button for right hand. What the God, this person has made it different for each hand. Oh wait a minute, but then the other functions are non-functioning. Default by all the other functions are turned off. I've just realized all the other functions there are turned off except for the moving the play space. My fear is not having control of the controllers and not being able to get back to my main controller. Because if I turn that on, it's not a problem turning anything
Yeah.
on. You know what I'm saying? It's like if I get stuck in that, well, I can't even get out of VR chat because there's no.
You're just gonna have to turn off the system and reset your controllers through desktop.
It's a risk that I don't want to go down right now. Having.
Yeah, don't do it right now because you're streaming.
Yeah, exactly. The obvious. All right. So, but I've discovered those advanced settings now. So, wait a minute. I've discovered those advanced settings now. So, and I've added. Now I know where they are. So there's Steam VR advanced settings. Enable timing overlay, multiple drivers. Don't know what that is. Something, something, something. Enable camera. Chaperone. What the fuck is a chaperone? Offsets. What the fuck are the offsets? Motion, rotation, space fix, audio. Mirror, device. There's a lot of good stuff in here. It's pretty fucking complicated. So brightness, color adjustment, super sampling. You can really fuck stuff up here. A lot.
Yeah.
Keyboard utilities. Alarm clock. Media control keys. Application settings. Center, universe center. Fuck me. Oh well, that's it. You've blown my brain. Okay, in a good way. It's a shame there's no way to be able to, like, pull up, for me to pull up like
Test out.
my desktop and show you what you can see on the desktop.
Yeah.
That's. You'd have to bring an object into the world, wouldn't you? and they don't allow you to. You can only use objects that already exist in the world, right? I can only pick up something and give it to you that already exists here. I can't bring another
Yeah.
object into the world.
No.
That's the difference between this and Neos. In Neos, you can bring anything into any. Like I can like pull up my desktop and give you my desktop, in
Mm.
Neos, which has been handy a couple of times. But there's a lot of. This is, what's funny?
Pretty sure there's people in Neos that play Space Movie.
There's a lot of stuff. Um, a lot of people recommend that. What did you say? There's an add-on app that puts like Discord or Twitter on your wrist or something. You can do other things with that.
Oh,
But I think only you can see that.
that's another thing.
Oh, wait a
Yeah,
minute.
only you can see that.
Yeah. Hold on. Wait a minute. If I can. No, that's the wrong fucking button. I was pressing the wrong fucking button. Hold on. There's my desktop. There's my second screen, and I can take that and put that on my wrist. So now on my hand, but you can't see that at all, can you? On my
No.
on my on my hand, I've got my computer, so I can see everything on my hand here.
Now you
And
can see chat.
and
Don't worry about it.
the stream that I'm running only has me and you and doesn't have anything on my hand. But if I capture from Steam Home, then Steam sees what I'm seeing. How complicated does this get? Steam sees what I'm seeing, which would make that possible
Yeah.
looking at the Steam Home. You'd have to have access to the. Fuck me, complicated. Okay, now let me get rid of this off my hand. Dock that here. There. This technology is so powerful. It's so incredibly powerful. You know what's funny? So I always tell myself that I'm gonna
Mm.
explore different worlds, and I gotta give myself a list of worlds, and this is like the first world, right? I'm still,
Yeah.
I'm still here. I got to one world. That's how far I got. I got to one world. That is funny. That is very funny. It's ridiculously funny. It's always like that. Always like that. Madness. What is this place anyway? Some kind of old temple. It's never normal anymore. I want to do some pictures. I'll do some pictures in each world. Okay. The camera is not following me. Okay, turn off the streaming camera. It's gonna flip to that. Is there any smooth way to jump from the streaming camera to the photo camera?
No idea.
There's not, is there? Can you bring up both?
No,
You can't.
I don't think
No,
so.
no, you can't. You can't bring up both. You can only bring up one. Okay. Da, da, da. I'm gonna go find some place where the light is coming in through the trees and take some pictures there. Then I have to go that way or
Right.
that way. Not sure which way.
I'm gonna continue my world hopping adventures.
All right. Uh, I will catch you around at some point, somewhere.
Yeah, same here.
Yeah. Thank you very much for the help. You've been,
You're welcome.
you've been sterling. Much appreciated. You be cool. Don't get into any trouble.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. It's all about trouble. Right. Ticker goes off. There's a bridge. Found a bridge. It's not the depth. How come? How come the camera can't see me? Oh, I'm pointing the camera at this side. Okay. World hopping adventures. I like that. Rah! Rah! Check this out. Instead of going under the water and then above the water, and then we're at the edge of the world. Anchor. No. Camera's gonna stay there. Like over here. Okay. Right, let's go back and close that. And bring up the streaming camera. Alright. You gonna follow me? We are, as usual, adventuring to see what we can find. Searching through the forest, enjoying the night and the light that is here, and getting our feet wet at the same time. Who knows what we will find at the end? Who knows? Do you like this place? I like this place. I think it's beautiful. Look at the light. Look at the colors. It's incredible. Absolutely incredible. I'm off to explore. Really? Really? Did you think I would leave you? Really? Did you think I would leave you? Not gonna leave you. Never gonna leave you. Come on. Is this place favorited? It's favorited now. Okay. This person's done quite a few worlds. I think I'm gonna check out the Secret Cottage too, which is this person's latest world, I think. What do you think? Check it out? Okay. Camera's probably gonna disappear, so 266 megabytes, quite huge. I'll see you on the other side. I don't know if you can see the changes that have come over me. get some food after this, I think. I could have just left it with that one world. You know, I was thinking about just like making one video about each world. That would make sense, wouldn't it? It would make perfect sense. That was quite fast. Hold on. Alright. I'm hoping this is a streaming camera. Should be just a world camera. Alright. That was smooth, isn't it? There's no door. Oh, there's a door. Oh, we just glitched through. Oh, this is nice. Check this out. We got a sauna with hot coals and a shower right next to the sauna. Oh, bliss. You're gonna phase through the doors. No. Okay. Okay. Feel a bit like a thief. Interesting. Nice kitchen. Beautiful interiors, surfaces. I'm gonna have to sort out my worlds. There's so many beautiful worlds. Check this place out. We've got like almost kind of a very calming vibe. Creamy kinds of colors. Full length mirror. Oh, I can add in URLs. Enter a video URL. Huh. Hold on. It's remote here. It's only halfway of it. Okay, why would you only want something that only works halfway? A notification came up. I'm pretty sure somebody else is in the world. I wonder if the world sign will be cancelled out by somebody left. Come back and try this out. I've got an idea. There's like a little ferry down there. Look at that. Fairy's keeping herself to herself. Well, this is chilled. This is very chilled. I wonder how the fairy got down there. I guess she flew down there. Can't really fly, can you? Oh, mirrors, colliders. Depending upon where the moon. I'd want to have a bed where the sun comes up, but or the sun sets. I guess. Look at this. It's beautiful. Okay, I gotta change my camera. Gotta flip the script. Hold on. Hold on. Junk. Yeah, that was smooth, wasn't it? Hold on. Yeah. Long tail. What if that little fairy is still there? How did you get down there, little fairy? It's gotta be a way. There's a little fairy. Don't want to scare the little fairy. There's a world under. There are worlds under the house. Wow. There are two people there? Oh, one. Is that? Hello? The fairy appears to have fallen asleep. The ability to create depth in these pictures is quite fascinating. I do feel like a thief, like a thief in the night. Yeah, I don't think I got any great pictures out of that. Okay. The fairy fell asleep there. What do you think? I might change my avatar before I go there. Just as something different. I'm not quite sure where I'm going. That's a gigabyte? That's a gigabyte? Are you serious? I'm lost. I'm lost. Here's the front. Headset power is running low. Okay. It is plugged in. How are we doing? Hold on, hold on. It says headset power is running low. What do we got? 15%. Why is it not charging? Hold on. this on top of my head. Fix that. Drink that coffee, which is non-existent. I'm gonna go away. Oh, I've got water here. Drink water. Water is as good as coffee, has it? Is that loading up yet? Trying too fast. Trying too fast. Trying too fast. It's not quite there yet. Poise, position, hold, stretch. You just pull the muscle. Is there a muscle there? There must be. Yeah, we lost track in there for a second. That sucks. I hate it when that happens. Okay. Somewhere. This is huge. This is by far one of the biggest worlds that I've ever entered. Okay. Avatars. Why did I click avatars? I don't want avatars. I wanted a camera. Okay. We're good. We are somewhere where it is raining. The raindrops coming down. You know, if you're in an anime world that someone left the door open. This character doesn't fit in here. His colors are wrong. Wolf the Wolf doesn't have much detail. The Ice Dragon, on the other hand, has a lot of detail. Let's see if we can world the camera. Does my tail get in the way? Hopefully not. It's very hard to find the lowest space for a big dragon. It's incredible. Yeah! Shine bright like a diamond. Wow. Stuff is cool. Oh, it looks like what's in here. The American Aircraft Factory. Patterns. Oh, kitchen. quite space out there as well. I have to go through the... No, I can't. I can put my hand through, but I can't go through. Okay, wow. How do I get out there? There's an upstairs as well, right? I saw an upstairs. Oh, starry, starry night. Paint your palette blue and gray. The tail gets in the way. Okay, this is a lovely place. How do I get outside? Oh, the light. The light. Okay, cool. Right. Funny. Okay. Right. We're done. Not sure what else to say. We're done. That's it. Thank you. We had a little wander. Like the chilled out places. Boom. Don't know where I am in the room. Front's that way, right? Whatever. Whatever. It's all good. Got to one world.